Ritwik Sharma, Aerospace Engineering, Arizona State University. One thing I'm working on this summer is CubeSats. CubeSats are like miniature versions of satellites. They can do a lot of the things that satellites can, except in a much smaller size. They get into orbit like any other satellite would. They're attached to rockets, but they usually ride alongside other payloads. Although CubeSats are very good at conducting research at very low costs, they're also extremely susceptible to cyber attacks. And our research matters because we focus on making sure that it's not possible to take over one of these satellites, or at least it would be very hard to take over. Well, I chose SRNL because they have this wonderful team that works on satellites. As an aerospace engineer, that's something that I'm really interested in, and it felt great to have a team that I could work with on this sort of subject matter. It's a very strange feeling to work on something and only be able to see it for that short period of time before it just gets sent off into space, never to be seen again. And these things aren't really meant to be recovered, so working with these is usually just a matter of working with it for a bit and then just saying goodbye. I hope to get a better understanding of how exactly satellites work, as well as just how space policy works overall.